This is just going to be a short video now that we already know the angle relationships. Here's how we do it using algebra. So if you look at number 1, these guys are alternating exterior angles. So alternating exterior angles, we know that alternating exteriors are equal to each other, congruent. So I can set this up and say 8x plus 19 equals 139. And then if I'm solving for x, of course we subtract 19 on both sides. And I get 8x is equal to 120. Divide both sides by 8. 8 goes into 12 one time with 4 left over, and 8 goes into 45. So x equals 15. Here, these are alternating interior. This one's on the top, this one's on the bottom, left and right, and they're on the inside of that hamburger. So these are alternating interior angles. We know those are congruent to each other. So I can say 13x minus 43 equals 7x minus 1. So I get my variable terms on one side. So I subtract 7x on both sides. And I get, this is 6x minus 43 equals negative 1. And then add 43 on both sides. 6x equals 42. And then, of course, you divide by 6, and x equals 7. Okay, so x would equal 7 there. On number 5, if you take a look at that picture, I know that these are corresponding angles because they're in the same position of each other. So those are corresponding. Corresponding angles are congruent. So corresponding angles are congruent. So I can say 9x minus 20 equals 7x plus 18. And then I subtract 7x, of course, on both sides to get 2x minus 20 equals 18. Add 20 to both sides, and I get 2x equals 38. When I divide by 2, I get x is equal to 19. Right? So that's how we put it together with algebra. I'm going to leave the majority of this blank, so that way if you come in and you're having problems, we can do a whole bunch of these together.